Hi, I'm Dugard from Dugard Machine Tools in the UK. We're very honoured to be the dealer for the UK for the SMEC range of machines. We're at the EMO show this week and looking at the new models that they have on show, including the 5-axis VMC, the PL2000 and the 2100 Y-axis machine. So we're expecting really good business in 2022 for SMEC in the UK.
Hello, my name is Sergey Mazolin and I represent Stankomashstroy company. It is an official dealer of SMEC machine tools in Russia. We work with SMEC for more than 8 years and the Russian customers choose SMEC machines because of the consistent, good quality of the machine tools they produce. This brand is quite known in all Russian markets and we do our best to support the customers in terms of the technical questions as well as SMEC support us.
Hello, this is Mia Bach from SMEC. We are very happy to participate in EMO 2021 Milano. We are coming out with a new machine like a 5-axis machining center MBF 5000, linear guide Y-axis machine NS 2100 SY. We got a lot of attention for this machine from our dealer and customer. Through EMO Milano, SMEC will develop more, will become better. Thank you.
We are now in Milan by exhibition EMO, that is an important worldwide exhibition in machine tool. And we are very happy after the very bad period from COVID virus to come back in one exhibition who can have the direct contact with the customer and also direct contact with SMEC people and discussion about all technical detail for this machine and have the possibility to present our machine to our potential and our customer.